Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fontana. You're watching the Jersey Wife channel. Finally got my box from Target. Believe it or not, it's the August box. I'm opening it with you, so I took the plastic off, but this is the box. It always looks like this. It's not a fancy schmancy box, but I get very excited when I see my Target box come because it's always good. So let's see what's in it. You still get the $3, so bang. It's $7. Everything will be listed below. So you get $3 off of anything of beauty. And everything that you can go down that aisle. Please. When I'm in Target, you could buy a million things. Okay, let's see. Oh, full size Intuition f.a.b razor. Full size. Full size. And these are not cheap. These are like $6, right? Like $5.99, something like that. $5.99, whatever. We have body lotion, coconut, made by Eden. And here it is, right there. It's a nice size too. It's definitely a size you can throw in your purse too, which is good. And it's a body lotion. Let me smell it. Oh yeah, it's coconut. My family's coconut weird. All my kids, they're into this coconut smell. I don't know. I like it. It's okay. Let's see what this little teeny thing is. Oh God.
I'm never going to be able to read this. Where are my glasses? For the love of God, where are the glasses?
Okay, let's see what it is. It is Bliss f.a.b foaming to exfoliant. I didn't even know Bliss made that. The bamboo exfoliant. I guess they do. So here it is, a little bottle. This is like a tuber, like you could, tubers, whatever. You can do this twice, right? Because the size is pretty decent. So I think you go half and half, two of those. What's in this? The Acure,
brilliantly brightening
day cream. I'll test this out. And hopefully it's probably sealed. It is. Any day cream that doesn't absorb immediately, I'm not using for the day. Forget it. Especially on my face. I'll do it on my hands and my arms and stuff, but not on my face. It has to be one of those super duper, and it's in, and then you can put your makeup and stuff on. So yeah, I'll try it. Why not? We'll see how fast it absorbs, and that's how I judge it. Oh, I know what this is already. Beach Babe Soft Waves Salt Spray. This really does work, because really it's salt and water. I mean, you know, that's what's in here. Okay, probably some other chemical or whatever. But you spray it on your hair, so you always look like you were on the beach. Like but I always look a wreck. So I always look like I'm on the beach in December and January. I always look a wreck. So this is really good. I've had this before. I have one daughter that has curly hair, super curly like mine, and she's gonna love this. This is definitely gonna be one of her primary things she's gonna take from me. And of course, the simple cleaning wipes. And there's a pack of, how many are in here actually? I always like to see that. 7. So they're giving you 7. So let's say you put makeup on once a week. Yeah, 7 days. Not bad. In the August box, which is now almost the September box I'll be getting, is the simple makeup remover. The salt water makes your hair curly. Acure. Acure. I've never tried this before, so I will try it. Love the razor. They're not getting this, but I'm sure someone's going to try to take that from me. This is also the coconut body lotion. Can't beat the size. I just want you to see the size of this. This is a $7 box. It's no shipping. Free shipping if you can get it. And my little Bliss. And Bliss is very expensive, so I could imagine why they would only give you a sample this big. It was $7. It's free shipping. Good luck trying to get it, because I'm starting to get a little berserk. I do it from the 1st, the 5th, the 6th. And, you know, I told you the July box, I couldn't even get till almost the 9th. And this box, I actually got it the middle of August. Maybe, I don't know, the 2nd week of August. I finally got one that was available. So this is what it is. It's worth $7. There is no doubt in my mind that the Target box is worth $7. The razor alone in that box is $5.99, and you're getting the $3 coupon, and you're getting the Babe spray. Even if you got that in one of those sample things, you know, the travel size, you're still going to pay like $3 or $4 for that. So you've gotten your money back with 2 of the products that they put in this box. Again, hate to bring up Walmart's crap box, but that's a crap box. for $5. For $2 more, you're really getting a better box. Listen, Walmart, if you're out there, you just need to up your game a little. Give us some full-size stuff. Make it worth your while, because you sell tons of stuff that people would buy if you let them try it first. So that's my take on my box. Waiting for the full box will be coming from f.a.b, Fabulous Fit, whatever. And I think I stopped the subscription to Walmart. I'm hoping that I did, and it won't come. But if it does, it does. Just a bunch of samples. I am going to start like a little mini series on Fridays, I think, or well, really Fridays I want to do it, and let you know what's going on in the Garden State, and tell you that there's events going on, so that if you're interested and you want to go to these events. So if you have an event this weekend or weekend coming, write it below, write to me, njglitter@gmail.com, or leave your comment below. I get all my comments. I will respond to you. And let me know if there's something going on in your town that you want me to tell people about, because I'd be more than happy to do that. Just for example, Saint Sebastian, pinning of the money on the saint. Oh my God, it brings back so many memories. That's going to be happening in Montclair this weekend, I think Sunday. I'm going to make sure I look all this stuff up for you. I'm going to find stuff for you guys to do. It's closing in on us. Now listen, I don't want you to think that summer's closing in. No. Because fall's coming. We got a lot of stuff going on in the fall. There's pumpkin picking and mums, and Thanksgiving is on the way. So let's not get depressed, because I'm depressed enough over losing summer in a couple of weeks, which was the crappiest summer my entire life in the state of New Jersey. Rain 90% of the time, dark, thunder, rain, sun, rain, humidity, nightmare, okay? But maybe the fall will be great for us all. Like, we'll have a better fall. I will be doing that series on Fridays. I'm going to find out what's going on. I'm going to let you guys know. Go, and some of these things are for charity. Some of the things aren't. That's why if you have a charity event going on, I'd be more than happy to put it and talk about it, and, send me a little information about it in the state of New Jersey. I want to kind of stick to the state of New Jersey, but if you have something going on like in Hope or Phillies, kind of, sort of, but I really want to try to stick right to Jersey. So if you have something going on in your town, in your area, and you want to talk about it, and you want to know about it, and you want people to know about it, let me know. So you've been watching the Jersey Wife channel. And of course, I'm Fontana. We do everything Jersey style here. What do? We live loud, and we never compromise. And I'll see you in my next video, peeps. Bye-bye. Oh, you're never gonna change me. You're never gonna change me. I won't compromise, no.